Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove steering column on Volkswagen Golf Mk4 Jetta and many other models in 9 simple steps. First, disconnect the negative terminal from the car battery. But before you start from this point showed in the video, you have to remove first the steering wheel airbag, the steering wheel, the upper and lower covers onto the steering wheel column, and lock spring airbag. Step 1. Remove the plastic part from the steering column using the pliers or a flat blade screwdriver. So there's some plastic hooks over there, so you just have to squeeze it to remove it. So use a plier to squeeze those tabs to remove it. You can remove the cables from the ignition lock housing. Just pull it out. Then remove the other tab. So now you can see the security bolts that holds the ignition lock housing to the steering column. There's two. Then remove those two bolts from the steering column using a 13mm socket. Then remove the bolt from the power steering gearbox using a 13mm socket. On this car there's no power steering gearbox, so the bolt was missing. Then disconnect the cables from the wiper and turn signal arms. Just pull it out. Then disconnect the cable from the ignition lock cylinder immobilizer antenna. You just have to pull it out. Loose the bolt from the signal and wiper arms using a 4mm inbus and then take them out. Then you have to remove the 18mm nut from the brown cable. Then remove the cable from the ignition lock housing. and there's another bolt over there, so you have to use a 13mm socket. On the other end you have to use a 10mm socket to unscrew that bolt. So remove the bolt using a 13mm socket, and on the other side of the bolt use a 10mm socket for the nut. After you remove the nut, you just have to take the screw out. So this is the bolt that you have to remove it, and then take the steering column out. Here it is. Those are the security bolts from the ignition lock housing. There was the two 30mm bolts, and there is the bolt, the 30mm bolt, and also the 30mm bolt from the end of the steering column. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.